Good morning. It's a little bit cooler this morning than it has been. It stormed yesterday, so we had a few days, several days of warm temperatures, and then I guess last night or yesterday the front moved in and we got a lot of rain, a lot of lightning, and we needed the rain, but it made today a little bit cooler. I am on my way to the feed store because Amy is bringing her boys over. Amy from Living in Abundant Grace. Curtis is going to work for my brother today. Sean and Savannah are going to work for me. But I got to go to the feed store, fill this up so Sean can help me unload it when he gets here. All right, Amy and them are behind, so I'm going to go ahead and start unloading this, and maybe they'll get here in time to help unload it. But if not, there's so much that has to be done. We still have to go back into town and get some hay, and there's something else that I'm thinking about going and get where I need someone to help me unload. So I need this truck empty. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. All right, that was the last of them. So these blue, black, and whites are goat feed, which I got today. Well, these were here except for the one. No, those were here already because we got some a couple weeks ago. This is part of that load. There were 20 bags, and then there's 2 over there that we're gonna put in the their bucket there, so that I can, get it in the mornings. And I'm out of breath, but got it all out. It always feels good. It feels good. Whether someone's helping me, whether someone else is doing it, or whether I've done it myself, it feels good to have it done. Okay, they're not here yet, but I'm going to go ahead and fill this bucket up with cattle cubes because we will go out here and at some point and get put a bale of hay out for the cows like I do every weekend, and I'm going to do it while Sean's here to help me this time. You gotta move, buddy. Sean, look who's here. Look who's here. Where are you? Look who's here after I unloaded the truck. But the feed, go look, there's feed in there, a bunch of feed. I put it in the back end of the truck is full, trailer. But he did get the hay out. So go ahead and get the feed for the cows. We're gonna feed the cows, and then he and I are gonna go out and get a bale of hay together. And I called Amy over here to look at her cow. This one is her cow, and it's got an eye problem, so Amy gets to look at it.
I think she got something in it. Like, it's not infected, swollen, but it's like dripping. So I think, let's see, she'll open it. I think she got a sticker of hay.
You know, that's not it. She usually doesn't do that. She usually doesn't get this close. Okay, so yeah, so spread it out. Stay away from trouble there.
See, now it's open. She sees that feed and it's opening wider. I think she got something.
Trail it so we can go. I'm gonna go start the tractor. Thank you. Hey, go that way with them.
I guess we're going to cut it. We got this. I guess we're going to go cut it. Lori's out there bringing another hay bale up. Okay, now we just take it, pull it around, and booyah, done. Few strands got. And done.
You gotta sit on it, man. Put it in neutral. Park.
That's this one, right?
That's the brake.
Oh.
Put it in park. Now start it. Put the put this back down. There you go. Let's start it. Go ahead and take it up your fence. Go ahead. I wanted to show you guys. You can't see probably. That's the one that I was wondering if was polled. See, that one's got horns, and this one over here has horns. And we know the steer does not have horns. His mama's polled. That one throwing a fit. See if I can get to her. Looks like she's got. Oh, she about ran into me. Looks like she's got horns coming in. You're not gonna be able to tell because of all that hair there. Come here. Come here. Let's show them your horns. Your little bitty nubs. Hey, I'm not hurting it. I'm not hurting it. It's okay, Mama. I'm not doing nothing. We gotta go let him out the fence. Be good. Yeah, it looks like she's growing some horns, so she will be a horn cow. I mean, like I think I saw horns. She won't let me touch it, but I think, pretty sure that there's horns there. I'm watching the bull. He's going to the hay, but I never want to be stuck in a pasture with a bull coming at me. Watch that brick. Hey, watch the brick. I am going to let him bring these bricks up here because he put them on the back side. That is not what I meant for him to do. So he gets to carry them up here. And he will know for next time. That'll definitely remind him next time how to do it. Because that's not the first time we've done that. Well, I guess he knows where he's going. I don't think he's ever used the bucket, come to think of it. Yeah, he didn't know how to do it. Let's see if he figures it out. Shut the gate and put the brakes back. I never filmed him brush hogging last year because of his age. Because, oh my gosh, Sean, did you forget something? Did you forget something? Maybe.
I can do all the water.
Well, shut that off. Because you still have to dump this water. And I don't, there's not a dry space for you to do that in anymore, buddy. Go ahead and, I would take my socks off if I were you. Go ahead and dump that water. Hey, Shade, buddy. Hey. Oh, man, dude. What are you doing? You gotta set it back up to fill it.
Waiting for it to dump out first.
Well, make sure it dumps all the way. Like, you're gonna have to dump it. All right? I mean, that's the whole point, getting it clean. Anyway, that's part of being a farm kid is learning by doing. And so I didn't film him brush hogging, but he did do some brush hogging last year for me. And that was his first time to use the bucket. And now he's learning where to put the bricks. Remember where to put the bricks. And he's learning, hopefully, not to leave the water on. That's why I always put a timer on, because it's so easy. Because you want to walk away and go do something productive instead of standing there filling up the water, watching the water fill up. All right, I went and put Titus up because he started barking, and coming out here to check on Sean. I am so glad to have some help today. It makes it a whole lot easier, except when he overflows the water. It's a lot of water. I mean, it could be worse, but it's a lot of water. So the cows are coming back up here. Anyway, it is so much easier to every once in a while have someone come out and help with the waters. The waters are a big one because you clean them out, fill them back up, and try not to forget them. And then he's including the waters in here because the dog stays in here and the cat stay in here at night. And he's gonna fill these back up so I don't have to do it. Makes me happy. Well, ago, Caleb jumped the fence and he took off that way. I did not see him jump it, but he was back here with Rocky, and Tucker was throwing a fit about something being back in the back corner up here. And I looked over because Caleb wasn't barking and Caleb was gone, so he had taken off back there too. And I didn't have my camera on me, so I got my phone out. I did see a coyote, but by the time I got my phone out and did the password and got the camera going, the coyote was gone. But here is that clip. Caleb got out, so I came looking for him, and he came up this way. This is pretty steep here, but I did see a coyote. It is about noon, and over there on the other side of that fence, I don't know if you guys can see that fence right there, there was a coyote on the other side. And so he must have jumped and gone after it, but it's just by itself, single coyote. So my property goes down this hill and back up the hill to that fence there. All this right in here is mine. See how you can't see that? You can see the top of the shop there. I don't see him anymore. This is not where I saw him before. See, if you look over here, there's the house right here. That's where Tucker's property. This is the back. We're at the back of Tucker's property. You can see Sean coming this way. And where I've seen him before is here, and where I've got the trap is that tree right there. Right there. Oh, man. Did you do it again?
Yeah, I did it twice actually.
Twice? Oh my gosh.
That one was already full.
And you overflowed my water.
Let's just say I'm not the best estimator.
Let's say that.
Hey, at least I didn't overflow and knock it on the floor.
Feel like we need to keep a camera on you. All right, well, get the lid on there and let's get some waters filled. I come out here I figured you'd be about ready to move the goats. And we've got to put some, what is that stuff that she brought over?
Goat medicine?
Yeah, what's it called? I don't remember what it was, but Rocky has some mites. I tried this Python dust, and it usually works, but we're going to try something that Amy has now. This time of the year, though, that's usually when they get them, if they're going to get them. Their water there. And then put some water in that, too, okay? And then the chickens and the goats. The chickens and the goats. And you got to fill up the chicken feeder and bring the eggs in.
I already filled up the chicken feeder.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, because you wanted it from the bottom feeder.
I did. I wanted to use all that up, but...
It did. It used all of it.
Good. All right. Look, the wind blew that. Unfortunately, these are kind of messed up. I thought they were just like whole pieces. Well, they are whole pieces. It looks like somebody... The reason they're sitting over here not used is somebody cut through with a saw, looks like, and cut all the way through. And it's that way on all of them. I don't know if there's two here, and that goes all the way through. So that's why it's been sitting there. Those were here when I moved in. I left them there with plans on using them later. Probably won't. Standing here, I just put the camera down and he turned on the water and I didn't know he was going to. And it's behind me, it startled me. Hey, next time warn me when you're going to turn the water on.
Hey, Lorie, I'm going to turn the water on.
Yeah, it was behind me. It didn't hit me, but it startled me. Make sure that's full, okay? Because we got, 4 cats and Caleb in there. So we got to keep it full. You're going to spill that on you. Not that one. You're going to spill that one. Because your estimating is not good. Pull on it. Like, pull it out. Because it's rubber and it... Let me see. Pull it apart is what I mean. Outwards as you pick it up. This is funny.
How am I exactly supposed to move it though? I think I could have done it closer to the shop.
Just pick it up and move it. It's a little full, but go ahead. See how it bends? Pull it out. There you go. See, that helps. You're carrying water, man.
I made it there with a decent amount.
Huh?
Made it there with a decent amount.
I'll be the judge of that. If I fall, It's on you. Yep. I guess that's a decent amount. Need to put this with the girls. Go ahead and push his litter box back and put the water up front. Because he is coming back out here. I got him neutered the other day. Aren't you so proud of him?
Yes.
Hey. Oh, the water's running.
Exactly.
Yeah, fill the waters. Clean them. Really? Really? Trying to film the peacock. Move, Blizzard. All right, now we are gonna try to.
Turn the water off.
Yes. Where's the water?
On?
Where though? Way out there?
The pump is on.
Oh.
It's not on. But the pump's on.
Oh yeah, go turn it off. And bring this with you when you come. Anyway, we are going to try to do the goats. I'm going to try to catch them. And we got the medicine already in here. I forgot. I think he said silence. Silence. Cyclance. I don't know. It smells like paint thinner. It smells nasty. It's something I don't want on me. And if I was a mite of any sort, I think I would jump off too. So I'm gonna go in first because if they trust anyone, it's gonna be me because I'm here every day and I feed them every day. But they don't like to be caught, so this may take a minute, maybe, I don't know, a little comical, hopefully for you guys. No, forget being comical for you guys. I hope it happens quickly and we hurry up and get it done. I'm getting really tired. You ready for this?
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, this stuff. Okay. Oh, hold on, hold that. Almost had him. I'll put this on here. Hang on. No, because it's got feed in it. Put the feed over here. He's watching the feed. Oh, come on, man. Go ahead and pour half of it in this bowl. You watching the camera? Hang on. I gotta sit this down and catch him. Look at him! Okay, hold on. Take it out. Let go. There you go. Can you hold this? Okay, give me the meds. Did you get that on you?
No.
You sure?
Get the medicine on me?
Yes.
No.
You don't like it. I don't blame it.
It stinks.
It does. Smells like paint thinner, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
Got that on him. All right, this one's done. Get here. Let's set this bowl so that other one's hungry when we get back. You can set that down in it. All right. Come on, Rocco. There you go. Sometimes they go where you want them. Sometimes you have to pick them up. I'm gonna lock this.
Nope.
Oh, it stinks.
Yeah,
Try not to get that stuff on you. Just try to go. I'm gonna stay behind him and try to push him forward. Well, dog barking doesn't help. Come on, buddy. There he goes. Who's walking who now?
Come on.
Let's go, Rock. Let's go, bud.
Come on. This way.
Alright. Yeah, try not to touch his neck though, but get that off of him, okay? He's got that medicine on his neck. Just under the leash. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's gonna take care of everything because it stinks.
If I was a bug, I'd want to get away from
That's
that.
what I said. Alright, ready? Let's go get some more bug juice. Back up. Back up. Ugh, this stuff stinks.
Oh yeah.
Oh, come here. Hand me that bowl. Come on, Flint, buddy. Your turn. Just go on up there. Go ahead and pour that in there. He knows something's up. Would you stop? Good boy. We might have to catch him. Good boy. You stay over there. No. Quit. No. Go lay down. Good boy. Stay there now. Stay there. Dude. We're gonna have to catch him. Come on in here. Look, hold on, let me take this and put it up here. Once we catch him, this is right here.
Okay.
Why is it leaking?
I don't know.
Did you get it on you?
No. I can get anything on me.
I did.
Mm.
Throw that over there.
That's not good.
No. No, I won't get any fleas. Golly. I gotta get this off of me. Oh, he knows. Alright, let's put him in this corner. See if we can't get him in the corner. Grab him when you can. Let's not run him though. Hey, if we can get him in here, go on, go back there. Let's get him in this little pen over here. He's coming your way.
I could have got him if I didn't have this.
Well, go ahead and get behind him. Let's get him in this pen. Get behind him. We're getting him in this pen here, Sean. Sean, this pen. This is where he's supposed to go. Go on. He's catching on to things. Grab him if he comes by, but don't drop the camera. Come on up on him a little bit. He's thinking it. Keep coming. Okay, let's try it again. Where are you?
Right here.
Okay, but you gotta watch your head. That's what. I don't want you near that. Okay? It sounds like a good idea, but. Here it comes. Let's try to get him in that pen, alright?
Okay.
Back up. Yep. There he goes. Go, go, go. Here. You're probably better at this once we do catch him. Oh! Keep going. He can't. There he goes. Get in there. Oh, he made a mistake. So did you. 1-1. Tie. Man, if he jumps through here, I'm in trouble. It's a rodeo, people. Yee-haw! Caleb wants to get involved. Got him. Hold on to him. All right. Just stay right there. I'll go get the medicine. Because we can go out that gate. Yeah, that is coming out that way. Get back, Caleb. Okay, I need his neck and down his back. There we go. Or just wherever I can get it, actually, would work. He's a pain, isn't he?
Yeah.
Let me get this open. I gotta go around and open it from back there. Hey, stop it! You don't do that. He's like, but they do it to me. Watch him. Caleb's coming up behind you again. Hey, I'm setting this down right here because I don't want any more of it on me. There we go. Huh?
Come on.
Hold on. Okay, I gotta lock this behind you. So hold on and let me get behind him and help push him out so he doesn't like choke himself.
Come on. Come on.
Let's go.
Come on. Come on.
Everybody. He's walking you. You're walking him. He's gonna walk you for a while.
This way.
As long as y'all aren't walking together, he don't care. Okay, so now the water, I got it. Need to get the water and food bowl cleaned out. Tough, wasn't he?
Yeah.
Oh, I got a headache. So the reason that we're putting them over here is to give that other area a chance to rest. You know, from parasites, from lice, whatever. And then we'll put them back. I'm actually thinking about, after I had them over here for a while, putting the girls over there for a little while and letting their place rest, and then putting everybody back. But that's a lot of trouble. I definitely have to have help when that happens. You already got this done. Seems like it would hurt. You gonna do it with a hose?
They bleed from it. It hurts.
Well, I mean, but they still do it, so
Exactly.
must not hurt too bad. Oh, look, they're hugging. I tied this up here. I put the other chain down here, but I do have another chain. It's in that closet in my office, my room. I now call my office.
Yeah.
It's on the shelf. So you need to bring another chain and another little clippy out here. And if on the next video or 2 or 10, y'all see this here, that means Sean failed me.
Where's the little, what little clip are you talking about?
This little clipper right here.
Oh.
It'll be with it. It would be with the chain.
But it won't be hooked up?
It won't be hooked on it, no.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
We'll see about that. You gonna forget this water?
No, it's going slowly.
Okay.
Okay, so Lorie sent us on a trip to go get hay. I gotta give 2 flakes to the boys and then half a bale to the girls. And so I'm taking you along with me. Oh, that's not working. Okay, I've decided to come back, and I was trying to get it off with my knee, but well, okay. So now I need to get 2 flakes. And after I... Two flakes to Flint and Rocky. Rocky was a boxing movie. Comment down below if you've ever seen the movie Rocky. I've seen it before, but I don't know if you guys have. So comment down if you've seen the movie Rocky before. I don't know where she wants me to put this. Okay, so we are now hitting the boys' pen. There they are. And it's time to give them their hay. I guess I'm just gonna, I don't know. I guess I'm gonna put it over there. Like that. I hope she's fine with that. I don't know. Because usually the pens have these metal one. Okay. Get you a little, got a little bit dirty in there. Okay. So their pen. Okay, so what I was saying, the hay, there's usually a hay flake thing that you can put the hay in, and then it's all fine there. So now we gotta go get half a bale to the goats, and then I'll have to see what I'll do next. There we go. Got the feed. Hey, Tucker! Got the hay out to the goats. They're happy about it. Tucker's happy to see You good? Say hi, Tucker. Got the hay out to the goats. Okay, guys. It is time to end this video, and can't wait to see you guys in the next video. But leave a comment down below, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, share this video with others, and hype it if you can, and we'll definitely see you on the next one. Hit that notification bell so you can get a video that pops up in case I'm in it. Just kidding. But you'll get a video that pops up of one of Lorie's. And just make sure to hit the notification bell, leave a comment down below, hit the subscribe button, and share this video with others. See you on the next one. Retake. Make sure to share this video with others, leave a comment down below, hit the subscribe button, hype this video if you haven't already, and we'll see you on the next one.